So, ang problem natin today is 2dx plus the quantity 2x minus y plus 3 dy is equal to 0. So, di ba yung steps natin turo ko sa inyo is i-equate natin yung two lines to 0 para mahanap na natin yung h and k. Pero dito, hindi naman natin pwede equate yung 2 is equal to 0 since hindi man siya mag-make sense. So, ang method na gagawin natin dito is a change of variable. Change of variable. So, ang gagawin natin dito is, itong 2x minus y, ilat natin siya sa w, so magiging 2x minus y. So, differentiate natin, magiging dw is equal to 2dx minus dy. Next is, pwede natin tong i-solve in terms of dx kasi mamaya i-substitute natin yung value ng dx na masasolve natin dito. So, magiging siyang lipat natin sa left side yung dy sa magiging positive y is equal to 2dx. Next is divide natin both sides by 2. So, erase na lang natin to kasi makakancel yung 2 dyan. So, dx is equal to dw plus 2 dy over 2. So, yan. Substitute natin 2 times dw plus dy over 2 plus the quantity 2x minus y will be just w kasi 2x minus y. Ito yon. So, w plus 3 dy is just dy. It's equal to 0. So, makakancel to dito kung papansin natin. So, magiging na lang dw plus dy plus w plus 3 dy is equal to 0. So, ngayon, gawin natin is i-combine natin yung may mga dy which is yung dalawa. So, copy natin yung w plus 3 and dito may 1 dito na may invisible lang pero may 1 dyan. So, plus 1 dy plus dw is equal to 0. So, w plus 4 dy is equal to dw is equal to 0. So, ay plus pala to. So, ngayon is separate na natin yung variable. So, magiging siyang dy plus dw all over w plus 4 is equal to 0. So, ngayon is integrate na natin both sides. So, magiging siyang ln y, magiging siyang y lang pala, y, kasi dy lang, y plus ln w plus 4 is equal to c. Kasi integration ng 0 is c. So, balik na natin yung value ng w. So, magiging y plus ln. W is 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to c. So, ilipat natin to the left side. So, to the right side. So, magiging siyang negative. At ito, lipat natin sa left side. So, magiging y plus c is equal to negative ln 2x minus y plus 4. So, yan na yung natin, final answer.